With SCALLOG, what was planned has been realized and executed. And for us, that's very valuable. And we also know that we can be supported in the future and keep up with the company's growth. I am Sébastien, the manager of MGA MEDTECH at the Mably site. So regarding the SCALLOG solution, today at the Mably site, we have 73 shelves and also 5 robots that allow us to manage incoming and outgoing flows. Now, the benefits of the SCALLOG solution are precisely being able to adapt to the type of parts. At MGA MEDTECH, we have small parts, large parts, heavy ones, and fragile ones. And the SCALLOG solution adapts to all of that. And that's actually very practical since we don't know the products we'll be manufacturing tomorrow. And we already know that the solution will be suitable. So logistical developments, that too is part of the scalability. We don't know them yet, but we already know the solution will be agile. We'll be able to expand our area and thus adapt to tomorrow's needs. We also know that we aim to have interconnectivity with AMRs, and so we'll be able to connect these AMRs with the SCALLOG solution. It's already planned, and we know it's possible. Well, one last thing is that with SCALLOG, what was planned has been realized and executed, and for us that's very valuable. And we also know that we can be supported in the future and keep up with the company's growth.